Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Revolver0125. Welcome back to a brand new video showing you guys a Minecraft 1.7.2 mod. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. The mod I'll be showing you guys today is called the Zoom mod. This will be both a review of it, just kind of show you guys what it's all about, and then I'll show you guys how to install it. So the Zoom mod is probably the first 1.7 mod I've seen that's actually somewhat useful. Alright, so anyways, it allows you to zoom in. Alright, so you want to zoom into the sheep there, off into the distance. This is what it allows you to do. You may remember this feature as a feature of Optifine. Alright, now that Optifine is not updated yet, I'm kind of glad that this is updated because it is kind of cool, and you know, you're able to play this in 1.7. You know, not a lot of mods are able to do that yet. And so anyways, it's just kind of cool. I use this feature a lot. My favorite feature to use that is at the beginning of my videos when I do this. I zoom into myself and then it's kind of like slow motion looking around. Anyway, so yeah, this is the zoom mod. By default, it is, if you would go to controls here, we scroll on down to the zoom key, it is left control by default. You can change that by clicking on that and changing it to whatever you want, but by default that is the control to actually, you know, use it. Alright, so yeah, this has been the zoom key. Alright, if I do show 1.7 mods, or if any others have been updated, they'll more so be smaller mods like this. Now I'll still be going back and looking at 1.6.4 mods, so don't worry. Don't think I'm just going to be showing you guys a bunch of these smaller mods. But just because Forge hasn't updated yet, the 1.7 mods will be kind of like this, kind of shorter, you know, just kind of one real quick purpose to them. But yeah. So yeah, this is the zoom mod. It's, you know, it's cool. I really do like it. I love the feature, and Optifine is, you know, mainly why I used it. So anyways, guys, that's it for the little review here. Show you guys what it's all about. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to install it. Welcome to the tutorial part of the video. Here's where I'm going to show you guys how to install the Zoom mod for Minecraft. So there's going to be one file you'll need, and that is the Zoom mod. So you want to head on over to their forum page. Link will be in the description for you guys. So head on down to their download section. Alright, so there's two files here, or two links here. They both take you to the same file to download. Alright, the only difference is this top site here is in Russian. So I'm going to go ahead and click the bottom one, which will take us to Mediafire. Alright, both sites will take us through AdFly. If you're having problems with AdFly, like it's saying cookies not enabled or something like that, make sure you exit out of it and then re-click the link. Alright, and if you're having a loop on the countdown, just going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 repeatedly, make sure you disable ad block when you go through AdFly. Alright, so go ahead and click the skip ad button, and then here I'll go ahead and show you guys where the download link is. So right here, this green download button is the download link, alright, right next to the Zoom mod. So make sure you click this green download button and not another download button if it's around here on the ads, because they'll end up downloading a virus. So this one is the mod, and make sure you click this green download button. Alright, so it'll go ahead and download the Zoom mod for us. Alright, and it also opens up a pop-up, or Mediafire opens up a pop-up. Just make sure you exit out of it. Alright, so after we have that, we have the Zoom mod downloaded. I went ahead and I dragged it to our desktop, or to my desktop. Alright, so now that we've done that, we're now ready to install the mod. So head on over to your search bar, right, and type in %app data. I actually misspelled that. App data %, hit enter. Alright, so again, it's %app data %. Alright, this takes us to our roaming folder. Inside our roaming folder is our .minecraft folder. So go ahead and double click our .minecraft folder. Alright, inside our .minecraft folder is our versions folder. So go ahead to versions and double click that. Alright, so we're going to want to create a new folder in here. So go to the new folder tab up here, or right click, go to new and go to folder, and we're going to want to name it Zoom, all lowercase letters. Alright, so now that we have that, we're going to want to access the folder that this mod is currently in, or the version that this mod is currently in, which is 1.7.2. Alright, so go ahead into that folder, highlight the two files inside that folder, and click copy. Alright, so then go back one, then we're going to want to re-access the Zoom file folder. Alright, and then paste those two files in that we copied from the 1.7.2 folder. Alright, once we've done that, highlight them, right click, and go to rename. We're going to want to rename them to what we named the folder, which was Zoom. Alright, So then clicking off, it'll rename both of them. If the JSON file says zoom.json, that is fine, and you can keep it. Alright. So after we've done that, we're going to want to access the JSON file. Right click, go to open with, and choose Notepad. Alright, I already have it set for Notepad, so I'm going to go ahead and just double click it. Alright, so once we've done that, we're going to want to rename the 1.7.2 or whatever version that this mod is currently in to Zoom. Alright, if it's not right here at the top, it'll be at the bottom. Alright, so look for it at the bottom, and your Notepad screen may look different. Just scroll on down until you find the 1.7.2 right next to the ID. Alright, so rename that to Zoom. Alright, click File and click Save. Alright, so then after we've done that, now access the executable jar file. Alright, so go to Zoom, right click, go to Open With, and choose WinRAR, Archiver, 7-zip, something like that can open up the file, and that will allow us to put files in. If you don't have anything like that, I'll have a link to WinRAR in the description. Make sure you download the one for your operating system. Alright, so once we have that, we want to click on this meta-inf folder, right click, and go to Delete Files, and then hit Yes. Alright, make sure you delete this meta-inf folder. If you do not, the mod will not work. Alright, so now we have deleted the meta-inf folder in zoom.jar. We're going to want to enter the zoom mod file. So we're just going to want to right click, go to Open With, and again, choose something like WinRAR or 7-zip. Alright, so there's only 3 files in here right now, so we can either highlight them or click on one of them and hit Control A on our keyboard, which highlights them all. And then we're just going to want to drag them over to our zoom.jar. Alright, then go ahead and click OK. And there you go. You have now installed the mod. There's one more step though that we have to do once we log into Minecraft, but you can go ahead and exit out of all that stuff. Alright, so enter Minecraft now, load up the launcher. And just wait a second. Here we go. We're going to want to create a new profile. So go to New Profile, and we're just going to name it Zoom Mod. And we're going to go ahead and label it 1.7.2. Or at least I am. You can just leave it as Zoom Mod, or put 1.7 point whatever the mod is currently in, or if it's updated to 1.0 or whatever, just put that in. Alright, so then we're going to want to go to Use Version. And you may have to scroll up to the top here and just kind of search for it in this, the releases here, and look for Release Zoom. So make sure you click on that for the Use Version, and then click Save Profile. Alright, next we're going to want to go to the profile then and look for the Zoom mod, and then go ahead and click Play. Alright, everything should load up fine here because we haven't installed any other mods in our zoom.jar, so everything should load up perfectly fine. And I have it set for full screen because I was just recording the review there, so I had to set it off full screen there. Alright, so let me go ahead and access this world, and there you go. You're able to zoom in there, as you see right there, and by default it should be the left control key. You can also look for it in your controls, and we look down here. Here we have the zoom key, left control by default. Alright, so that's how you install the Zoom mod for Minecraft. Have fun. It's one of the more useful mods I found so far for Minecraft 1.7.2, and one of the only mods I found updated. So just kind of have fun with it, playing with a mod in the new version of Minecraft. So anyways guys, if this has helped, just remember to leave a link on the video. If you want to leave a comment as well, go ahead and leave a comment. I'll try and get back to you. And if you want to subscribe to the channel to see more Minecraft mods and find out how to install them and stuff like that, make sure you do so, and thank you if you do. So anyways, hopefully this has helped, and thanks for watching.